Hi, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel Course by Sid. So today in this video we're going to learn about HR tag and BR tag. So basically what is HR tag? HR tag is known as horizontal rule tag and it is used to insert a horizontal line in the HTML document. Now if I'll talk about the BR tag, so BR tag is basically known as line break tag, which is used to insert a line break or new line within the paragraph text, right? So now I'll open my UI and suppose I want that after the headings I want one horizontal line. So I'll open my VS Code and after the headings I'll write HR tag, right? And then I'm going to save it. I'll come back to my UI. So you can see that now a line has been inserted after the paragraphs and before the paragraphs, right? And now let's say suppose I need another horizontal line after this paragraph. So I'll come back to my VS Code and then I'm going to write HR tag once again, right? I'll save my file and then I'll come back to my UI. So now you can see that one horizontal line has also appeared after the paragraph, right? Now if I'll talk about my BR tag, so what is BR tag? Let's say suppose so that this text, this paragraph text, I want to appear in the next line, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open my VS Code and before this highlighted text I'm going to write one BR tag, right? And then I'm going to save it. I'll come back to my UI. So on my UI you can see that this line of the paragraph has appeared in the next line, right? Because of the BR tag. Now let's say suppose I want that there is some spacing between this text and this text of the paragraph, right? So I'll open my VS Code and then after this paragraph, after this BR tag, I'm going to write one more BR tag, right? And similarly I want this paragraph also, right? So I'm going to simply copy paste this and then I'm going to save this file and then I'm going to come back to my UI, right? So now you can see that within the paragraphs you can provide the spacing with the help of BR tag. So okay, thank you. That's all for this video. In the next video we'll learn some new topic, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel. So okay, thank you. That's all for this video. Thank you.